We set the business up, got it running, and we started the family. And I couldn't imagine doing my other job, having a family. This has allowed me to see them in the morning, see them at night, see them at the weekends. They'll even come in here to work if they're ill or off school sometimes and things like that. So they all understand it.
Life's great, it's just always busy.
We go on the holidays we want to go on. We've got, we've not got a flash car, but we've got a nice car, live in a nice house, in a nice area. So yeah, it's financially, we're happy. Before we used to live in a smaller house and we wanted another baby, and we managed to get a bigger house by the school that we wanted the kids to go to. And then yeah, over time, we got the extension done and that's bought and paid for.
We have more holidays, we have more time, we have more money.
And I don't have to go back to a full-time job that I used to be in with the 9 to 5 hours, so it fits in with family life really. It's made our lives a lot more flexible, isn't it?
Yeah, more fun.
Yeah.
Great fun.
I'm ambitious, but I genuinely just want to enjoy myself. You know, I've got a young family, I love going to watch and play sports. We don't work weekends, I refuse to work a weekend, and that's definitely an army thing as well. So we haven't worked a weekend for about 2 years, which I'm actually very proud of as well. You know, we work flat out Monday to Friday, come weekends, that's it, family time.
When I first started, we lived in a little 2-bedroom, mid-terraced house, and now we live in a nice 5-bedroom semi, so it's made us a nice living.
I had a figure in my head that I wanted to earn a certain amount, and I think when I first started the figure seemed really big, but then when you earn it you think, okay, I want something else. But yeah, no, it's definitely given me a brilliant lifestyle, and it's the most I've earned doing any type of job.
It's very rewarding, and what you can get and how you can support yourself and build your future is just limitless.